Okay, so here is one channel right here. I believe this one had ads on it. I'm not sure if they did or not, but as you can see, it doesn't matter. Look at this, 22 million views on this video, compilation of weightlifting. So obviously, if you start thinking about it, you can think about some good affiliate marketing offers that you could do with this, right? Probably around weightlifting. This guy's kind of dropping the ball here. He tried to do it, but as you can see right here, a pixel phone photography kit. And then I walk portable chargers. So this is like dumb because this has nothing to do with weightlifting. And so, you know, he's doing the affiliate marketing thing. He probably gets a few sales, people clicking here and there. But unless you really know how to match the offer, okay, that's what's really important about this. So he did a good job of getting the views, which in my course, in the affiliate marketing course, I teach you how to go from scratch and blow up a YouTube channel and get the kind of views that he's getting. I teach you that in the affiliate marketing course, but I also teach you how to market the right products, which is something this guy kind of messed up on. So I think what he does is he just has these two affiliate offers that he does, right? And he probably just puts that on every single video he has. That's not the best strategy. The best strategy is to literally know, like, whatever your video niche is what your target product should be. So he probably just takes these two and puts them on every video he has. But a way better strategy is to change products based on the video that you put out. So for this one, something that he definitely could have done better, and I don't know if this is just he doesn't understand how to do affiliate marketing. You know, he doesn't know how to find the right products. There is like 50 at least different networks, and I teach you about all the different networks inside the course. And so with all those networks combined, there's just like hundreds of millions of products that are available for you to affiliate market. And that's something a lot of people do not know. And so, like, for instance, you go and you want to find one that, you know, gets a good amount of money out of it, right? So this one right here, they give you a lot of the sale right here. Average percent sale, 75%, and you get $62 per sale. So can you imagine, you know, this is 7 seconds to a perfect body, and you're probably not watching weightlifting fail videos unless you're interested in weightlifting. And so people that are interested in weightlifting, you know, and then there's a strategy to making them want to go click that link that I teach inside the course. But in general, if he could have found a way to put this link in front of them and actually make them psychologically want to go click that link, you know, imagine how many sales he could have got out of this. And you don't need that many to make a lot of money. I mean, you know, so he's got 22 million right here. So if we went in here and we said that out of that 22 million, 660, if we say that only 1% of the audience clicks his link for this offer, and then we'll say 1% of that actually bought, okay? 1%. And then another 1%. So say 2,268 people bought this product right here that's going to give you $62 a sale. So if, I mean, yeah, this is going to be ridiculous. Times $62. $140,000. So, you know, if that's 1% of this audience clicked that link, then 1% of that bought it. He still would have made $140,000 just off of that. He's probably making a whole lot less because he did not target very well on this video. As you can see right here, this is not good targeting for a weightlifting video at all. Okay, so here's another one right here. So this is Hectic Road Bike Crashes. This one definitely does have ads, and this is just compilations of like motorcycle wrecks and stuff like that. And this one I definitely saw ads on it, which means, you know, 11 million views, you know, already, which this is something I teach you in Make One on YouTube Made Easy and the Advanced Masterclass, how to do the ads portion, which I know this one has ads. If you multiply by about a 10% click-through rate, and then multiply that by about 3 cents, you will see, you know, just ads alone, this video probably made, it's probably less than that because he has less ads, probably something around $20,000 probably he's made on ads just on this video. And then if you go down here, you'll see he's doing something here, which is adding merchandise right there into the description. So he's got his own merch, so he's got his own store right here, as you can see. So doing a good job there. He's made some cool new designs, and this is something I teach you inside the course as well, the affiliate marketing course. I teach you exactly how to do these print on demands, and these don't cost you any money. It doesn't cost you any money to make a design and make a store with your design on it. And then, you know, if it's good, once someone buys it, you're getting the profit, and then you pay the money to send it out. But you're obviously charging more than you're making, and you get to be in charge of how much money you charge. So, you know, really good right there. He probably could do more. He could probably do some like Amazon, you know, different links to different motorcycle products and things like that. He's not doing all that. And that's something a lot of people miss out on. A lot of people miss out on the opportunity that affiliate marketing provides. Here's another one right here. So this is NASCAR Heat 3 Crash Compilation. So this one has 1 million views on it. So that's really, really good. And it was just posted January 10th of 2019, so about a year ago. And so he's got some things here, right here. So he's got these two right here, which is G Fuel Energy Formula. So that's definitely like sponsorship / affiliate marketing. Rogue Energy, same thing here. Once again, so he's either got sponsorships where these companies are actually paying him to put this link on the video, just like I had with that Best Change. If you remember when I was doing the Best Change little advertisement thing there, that was a sponsorship. I got paid a pretty good amount of money for that. And I'm sure that he's doing the same thing right here. And so that's another opportunity that I talk about inside the affiliate marketing course, is how to get sponsorships. And then he's probably getting a cut of every one of these sales as well. So he's getting paid by the company to put this link up. Then he's also, you know, getting paid every time someone actually buys the product. He could do a better job inside of here of letting him know that that offer's there and let them know why it's important for them. Because most people, you know, unless they're specifically told, you know, that that's there and why they want to see it, this doesn't do a good job of doing that either. So again, he's probably, you know, getting a 1% conversion rate on this when he could be getting 10% if he just told them why it's important, right? So those are all things that I go over. And so he could do some other things here. He could obviously do like NASCAR books and NASCAR cars. Another one he could do, so like some of the videos are on YouTube of like doing races with like these NASCAR cars, like the little, you know, die-cast cars. So if you had a channel like that or a compilation of die-cast cars, you could definitely market like die-cast companies as well. And so, or since this is like a sim racing game, he could also market wheels and be like, the best wheel ever. This is the wheel I use for this game and I love it, blah, blah, blah. So he could do that as well. And so the same thing that you could do here is, so like this video right here is him kind of, this is a review, and reviews are obviously really good with affiliate marketing. So this is another thing I go over as well, either finding reviews other people have done or making your own. Or I also go over examples of people who made reviews, like top 10s of VR headsets and stuff that they never even owned, and they still made a review on it, and they still have all the affiliate links in the description, which is a genius idea. And I also teach how to do the same thing in a website blog format, so you can rank on Google and get those sales as well in Google, where people type those things in. So I have a lot of different methods inside the course. That's probably why I only have a 1 refund out of 140 or whatever. So down here, as you can see, he's got this link right here. So keep in mind, these things are like, you know, $3,000 to $5,000. I guarantee he's either getting paid by this company to put this on his review, right? Same thing with all these. These are all affiliate links. And so, you know, as you can see, like these things are $3,000. So if he's getting a cut of every one of these sales, you know, some of this stuff, 900, you know, 1,000, then you start getting up to the, you know, $6,000, $7,000 right here. So can you imagine getting a cut of a $7,000 product? So one of the strategies I teach inside the course as well is to, you know, market things that are really expensive. If you can do that, you can make a freaking lot of money really quickly, because, you know, and this is a niche with the motion simulations, and you don't even have to own them. You know, as long as you've done your research and know what you're talking about, then you're allowed to, you know, give your opinion on the best ones, right? And so if you, and that's a niche market where not that many people make videos on it. So if you make a video on, you know, best 10 motion platforms, right, you're going to target people that are already thinking about buying a motion platform. Same thing with like golf simulators and stuff like that. And so by making those top 10s and, you know, putting those links in there, you know, if you get a cut of like a $5,000 product on Amazon, you're going to make like a lot of money in one sale. You know, so if you're attracting tens of thousands of people who are already thinking about buying these $1,000 products, you know, and they watch that video, they click the link, and they buy, you know, you could really add up your money really quickly if you know how to actually get the views to the YouTube channel, to the video, think about the right things to target to the right audience, which is all stuff I teach you inside the course. So you have 1 day to get in before I move it from that 165 to the full 185 where it's going to stay. So hope to see you guys in there and join those other 140 students and the over 7,500 total, I think now, students that I have. So and of course you get access to the Facebook group, so we will see you in there. All right, time to play hockey. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.